Hey guys, so today we're getting ready for startup. Just first start, nothing serious, just let it idle for a minute or two because I don't have any coolant stuff hooked up yet. But I put the power to the engine for the first time today and we have fuel and fuel pressure, so that's good. Very nerve-wracking, but slowly but surely it'll get there. I'm super excited. I hope this works out well and that the car runs well. And just waiting here for Sean Switzer to come by. He's the man. He's got an oil pig, so he's gonna pressurize my system and prime it up with oil before we fire, just because it's a fresh build. So I can't wait till he gets here. He's just on errands right now. He's got to do a few things at the shop before he comes and bring oil in the pig. The oil pig, sorry. And Sean Hardham today met up with me, and we got some Acrovas Zestinos and some Gretsch Zestinos. So the Gretsch are 240 treadwear because I street drive my cars, so I wanted the harder compound, somewhat harder compound, to last longer while I drive on the streets. And then the Acrovas are for practice. They have a thicker or taller tread depth compared to your Gretsch. They are a 280 treadwear, so they last a little bit longer, but they wear nice, smoke great, and they don't really chunk. So that's for a tire that was kind of newer and a couple years ago, it's really good. I like it. I enjoy it. The grip level is amazing. They also sponsored the series, and Sean Hardham is a distributor for North America, I believe, and he's the hookup, and he hooks all us Spec D drivers up. So that's really kind of him to keep going above and beyond to try and help out Spec D drivers, because without him, we'd be kind of hooped. So thanks, Sean. Appreciate you meeting up with me and delivering the tires. I will be buying more eventually. Just right now is kind of money's tight. I want to get the car running first before I make big amount of tire purchases. And I have the 4 tires that came on the car, and they're actually Bridgestone Potenzas. They're really good, actually. There's lots of tread left, so I'm gonna burn these off. And then I have 4 Michelin Pilot Sports. I got those to burn off too, and then I'll have the 2 Zestino Acrovas. So I got 10 tires to start with. Lots to burn off. So once Sean gets here and we go to fire this thing up, I will finish filming this. And so this is Sean.
Hello.
Just filled up the oil, brought the oil pig, and we primed the system. Just topped up the pan, and we're gonna fire up shortly. This is gonna be my filming assistant. It's my PCM.
ECU is not unlocked, or something's wrong with it.
That sounded good though.
Sounds healthy.
Yeah, yeah, it does.
Did you get a video of that? How much smoke was coming? Here, Cameron, let's
Do it again?
yeah, let's do this again here.
What
Just
size are
can
your
you come?
injectors 2 and 4?
Small.
Okay.
Doesn't matter.
As long as it runs.
Impedance is impedance. So, film that breather. See that little filter? Film that, please. Okay, give it a whirl.
Okay.
Needs fuel.
Okay. Again?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so the car ran. Only downfall is my PCM is having issues connecting for some reason. So my friend Sean there, he had a PCM and he's running an LS in his 190E Mercedes, and the car ran on that. So it's the only downfall is that my PCM is having issues. So got to reroute some grounding. We had to add extra grounds because I messed up and forgot a couple extra grounds. So that being said, I'll get to grounding this, and I got to take the PCM tomorrow to Chris Zielinski. He's going to retune it and dig in to see what happened. So hopefully it didn't short out or something happened to the PCM somehow. I hope not, but here's to hoping it's good. Till next time, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Ring the bell, do what you do.